Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is Ronon, my new kitten. Today we're providing you with a sample recorded on the Honor Magic4 Pro at 4K 60 frames per second. Ronon's just been adopted today. We have been playing quite hard with him, and he's just about to fall asleep. Let's see if we can keep him up just a little bit longer. Candice is going to try and play around with his favourite toy. No, is that not enough? Are you wanting to go for a snooze now? Oh, we got his paw out. Anyway, Ronon is, 6-7 weeks old at this point? He's a little monster, and expect to see a lot more of him here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel as we record sample videos for phone reviews. We cover gadgets, accessories, pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. And let us know if you'd also like to meet Ronon's sibling, Teal'c, who is currently having a nap behind the sofa. But for now, thanks for watching, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube.